Okay, so let's start it, the session. Welcome everyone to this wonderful, magical world of gratitude and happiness, where you start living a life full of happiness. Yesterday, we talked about a topic where you can make all your wishes come true. So, who all did your assignments? Please share if any experience. It was about suppose you get your dream come true, what will you do? Whom will you tell? What is that first thing which will you do? What you will do? And then how will you feel it? What would be the feelings? तो आप में से किसने करी है assignments? Please share.
Can you hear us now, Usha?
Okay, so let us start with another beautiful chapter, which is chapter number 14. It talks about having a magical day. क्या आप में से किसी को ऐसा कभी लगा कि कोई दिन आपका बहुत ही बेकार गया? आपको लगा कि आज तो कुछ भी ठीक नहीं हुआ, आज मेरे साथ कैसा दिन गया मेरा? So what happens is that रात को जब रात को आप सोते हैं, so you sleep with those feelings of negativity. You sleep with depression, anxiety, and you feel there's a lot of complaints, शिकायतें. तो जब आप उन फीलिंग्स के साथ सोते हैं, you wake up in the morning with the same feelings. And it so happens कि जब आप उसी फीलिंग के साथ सोते हैं और सुबह उसी फीलिंग के साथ उठते हैं, they get stored in your subconscious mind because your subconscious mind has the memory. उस सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में आप जो भी डालते हैं रात को सोते समय, that is the time it is most active. और उस टाइम पे जो भी आप सोचते हैं, जो आप महसूस करते हैं, दिन भर का आप याद करते हैं, that gets stored. और सुबह उसी फीलिंग के साथ जब आप उठते हैं, you carry it with you the whole day. It is just like carrying a glass of water, जो आप 1 घंटा उसमें पानी रखा हुआ है, 2 घंटा रखा है, 3 घंटा रखा है, but then it goes on and on for years. तो आप कितने सालों तक आपने वो ग्लास को होल्ड करके रखा हुआ है? You are keeping those memories in your mind because subconscious mind stores all the memory. It is your memory bank. फिर आप वही कैरी फॉरवर्ड करते हैं पूरा दिन और फिर यही मन में लगता है कि पता नहीं आज क्या हुआ, आज किसका मुंह देख के हम निकले थे, पर किसी का मुंह नहीं देखा था, हमने अपना ही मुंह देखा. So it is very important to understand the importance of your thoughts before you sleeping and immediately when you wake up. Negative thoughts have immediate effect on your mind and body. So how can you reprogram them? What can you do to change those negative thinking mind to the positive one? Because that is the crux of what we are talking about today. How to have a magical day. क्या हम उस फीलिंग में आते हैं कि जब हम जैसे ही सुबह उठें तो हम ये सोचे कि वाह व्हाट अ लवली डे, वी गॉट अनदर डे. उन सांसों के लिए शुक्रिया जो हमें मिली, जो बेड हमें मिला उसके लिए शुक्रिया, हमें फैमिली मिली है उसके लिए शुक्रिया. किसी को तो फैमिली शायद किसी के पास ना हो. So whatever we have, how can we be grateful for what you have rather than be grudging about what we don't have? वो क्या चीज है, वो क्या फीलिंग्स है जिससे आप पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग जोन में जाएंगे? कैन एनीवन टेल मी वो क्या चीज है जिसके थ्रू आप अपने नेगेटिव माइंड को शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं पॉजिटिविटी में? यू कैन राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स और यू कैन unmute and
diverting your mind to positive thoughts
by
or seeing
practicing
something.
gratitude. Perfect. Very nice, Aditi. So it is important that you understand the power of gratitude. जब आप बहुत खुश होते हैं तो कोई जरूरी नहीं कि आप हैप्पीनेस में हैं तो आप ग्रैटिट्यूड में भी होंगे. बट जब आप बहुत ग्रैटिट्यूड में होते हैं जब आप शुक्राना की फीलिंग्स में होते हैं, जब आप आभार में होते हैं, when you have that thank you for the God and the universe, you are always happy. You are in that happy mode because that is the power of being grateful. That is the power of being happy. Gratefulness. ये first feeling जो आती है to be, you know, the best feeling in good feeling zone is power of love. Second feeling is power of gratitude. So we talk about power of love and power of gratitude in our classes. And for all those who have joined, this was a small, just what I was talking about, कि जो चीज आप बहुत ज्यादा डिस्कस करते हैं, अक्सर देखा गया कि जो हम बहुत ज्यादा फील करते हैं हर समय सारा दिन, या हम जो चीज बहुत ज्यादा डिस्कस करते हैं, वही सिचुएशंस हमें बार बार लाइफ में आती हैं और फिर हम दोबारा रिएक्ट करते हैं, फिर से वही सिचुएशंस आती हैं, फिर हम वही, सो इट रिपीट्स, इट्स लाइक अ साइकिल. जैसे अभी हम उस दिन साइकिल की बात डिस्कस कर रहे थे, द सर्कल ऑफ लाइफ. Things start, they just keep on happening repeatedly. And it is so important for you to understand how can we reprogram our mind, because your subconscious mind has all the powers. You can create, you be the creator of your life, because if you don't rule your mind, the mind is going to rule you. As it is said by Wayne Dyer, that you create your thoughts. Your thoughts create your intentions, and your intentions create the reality about you. तो जो हम सोचते हैं हम वही बन जाते हैं. You become what you think, as said by Buddha. So we start with this beautiful chapter of having a magical day, and as we go through the chapter, you will see various techniques and tools which I am going to provide to you to understand how we can create magic in our lives, how we can create abundance and happiness through the power of gratitude. So who is going to read today?
I'll read.
Every day, like, you can nominate each one of you if you would like to, or otherwise today Manisha has nominated. So
If anybody else wants to read, it's okay. I'll read tomorrow.
yeah, so they can, yeah, today you read, Manisha, then we can see for tomorrow.
It's an ongoing session, Anna.
ആണല്ലേ?
So this was the assignment about yesterday, कि जब आपकी कोई भी डिजायर फुलफिल हो जाती है तो क्या इमोशंस आते हैं, किससे आप सबसे पहले बात करते हैं, एंड व्हाट इज दैट फर्स्ट थिंग जो आपको मिलती है, जो आप सोचते हैं कि मैं ऐसा कुछ करूं, आप जंप करते हैं, आप शाउट करते हैं, वाओ आई गॉट दिस. कुछ भी आपको जब गिफ्ट मिलता है तो आप कैसा महसूस करते हैं. सो ये जो दुनिया है, ये एहसासों की दुनिया है, ये फीलिंग्स की दुनिया है. इट्स ऑल अबाउट व्हाट यू फील and what you speak. So let's proceed further and then we will discuss more about this. Day 14, have a magical day. Please start. Yes, Manisha?
Yeah. Intentions compressed into words and full magical power. Deepak Chopra, medical doctor and writer.
Deepak Chopra is he's an Indian, and he's a medical practitioner, and he is also practicing spirituality. He has designed various courses where he talks about how spirituality is linked with the medicines and how we can really change our lives through our thinking process. This book, what we are reading today, is called The Magic Book, which is by Rhonda Bryan. Yes, please.
To see and experience the most magical day of your life, you can be grateful for your whole day before you live it. To have a magical day, you simply thought your plans for the day and say the magic words, thank you for each one going well. before you have lived it. It's the easiest thing to do. It only takes a few minutes, but the difference it can make in your day is incredible. Being grateful for your day beforehand creates a magical day through the law of attraction. When you give thanks for the experiences in your day going well, you must receive back experiences going well. If you don't believe you have the power to affect the circumstances of your day so dramatically, think about a time when you woke up grumpy or in a bad mood. You went off in your you went off in your day and one thing after another went wrong. Until by the end of the day you were exclaiming that you had a heck of a bad day, as though the bad day happened by accident. Well, the only reason you had a bad day was because you took your bad mood from the morning with you, and it was your bad mood that was the cause of one thing after another going wrong.
Okay. So, like when you wake up in the morning, the first thing if you give gratitude in the morning, what happens is it intensifies the magnetic force of gratitude. And when you give gratitude, thank you for what all happened today. Thank you, I have this. Thank you, I have my family. Thank you, I could write. Thank you, I could do my daily chores. So जब आप उनके लिए आप जब शुक्राना करते हैं, what happens is at night before sleeping, it magnetizes whatever you want, whatever you need. That is the power of gratitude. And this is all scientific because it is the concept of mind. Mind has two parts, subconscious mind and conscious mind. Your conscious mind is the thinking mind, it plans, whereas your subconscious mind has feelings, it stores, it has memory. It is vast and so deep that you can really program it if you use your intellect and channelize it to the right direction. Yes, please.
Even waking up in a bad mood doesn't happen by accident because it means that you went to sleep thinking negatively about something, perhaps without realizing it. It's the very reason why you are doing the magic rock practice last thing at night to ensure that you go to sleep thinking good thoughts. The magic
Rock.
rock practice at night combined with count your blessings every morning sets your good mood at night in the morning, and they guarantee that you are feeling good before you go off in your day. To have
Okay.
a magic
So, like when you hold the magic rock, we have a magic rock. It's a very small pebble which you hold in your hand. That's a practice we have been doing. So what happens is that when you hold that magic rock in your hand and just you imagine, you think of the best thing that happened during the day and you sleep with those thoughts. That is that is what programs your subconscious mind. And then
to
you
have
wake up with the same feeling. And again, when you give gratitude, your day starts magically. क्योंकि जब आप गुड फीलिंग में होते हैं तो वही गुड फीलिंग जोन बार बार आपकी लाइफ में रिपीट होता है और जब आप बैड फीलिंग में होते हैं तो वो बैड फीलिंग्स आपकी लाइफ में दोबारा आने लगती हैं बिकॉज लाइक अट्रैक्ट्स लाइक हैप्पीनेस अट्रैक्ट्स हैप्पीनेस स्ट्रेस एंड एंजाइटी अट्रैक्ट्स स्ट्रेस एंड एंजाइटी क्योंकि हमारे शब्दों में थॉट्स आ जाते हैं थॉट्स के साथ फीलिंग्स हैज दोज vibrations and those vibrations they go to the universe and comes back in magnified form they come back in manifolds तो बहुत जरूरी है कि हम उसकी पावर को समझें और कुछ भी बोलते समय we have to think before we speak. Yes, please.
to have a magical day, you need to feel good. I don't know of anything other than gratitude that guarantees to put you in a good mood almost instantly. Whatever your plans are for the day today, whether it's traveling, a meeting, work project, lunch, exercise, dropping off, dry cleaning, playing a sport, going to the theater, meeting a friend, yoga, cleaning your house, going to school, or buying groceries. Turn today into a magical day by saying the magic words thank you for each plan going well before you leave it. If you're a person who writes daily list of things you need to do, then you can go through your daily list and be grateful for one having gone well. Whether you do this magical practice in your mind or on paper, the most important thing is that you feel the result of each plan or activity was the best it could have been. When you see gratitude ahead of the time to have a magical day, it wipes out unexpected problems or difficulties before they happen. The
Yeah.
more
So
you
what happens is that you just have to feel that
Hmm,
I am doing my work systematically and project wise. क्योंकि जब भी आप कुछ अगर प्लान करके घर से जाते हैं कुछ सामान लेने या कुछ भी काम के लिए or your work, you will always feel that when you plan it or write it down, you can do better because it goes more systematic. It goes with the flow. But जब कुछ unplanned जाते हैं तो हमेशा confusion रहती है कुछ रह तो नहीं गया. There comes
hmm,
doubt.
hmm.
So you need to keep your end results in front of you while working. जो भी end result है आपका. If it's your office, so you need to focus on your goal. कि what is firstly what is my to-do list today? And then by end of the day you work on it कि आज उसमें से क्या क्या हो. But then if you plan it accordingly and then systematically work on it, you are going to achieve it.
The more
Okay.
you
Yeah.
The more you use this magical practice, the better your days will become. And from the smallest things to the important things, everything starts going well in your life. The bumpy days smooth out, and instead of frustrating or troublesome things happening in your days start to have a magical flow about them. And things seem to magically go your way with less effort, no worry, no
Stress.
stress and far more joy. When I first began to see gratitude to have a magical day, I chose to give thanks ahead of time for the events in my day that I didn't enjoy doing very much. One of those things was going to the supermarket. At the beginning of the day, I said the magic words thank you for the easy and joyful trip to the supermarket. I had no idea how a trip to the supermarket could be easy and joyful, but I felt as much gratitude for that outcome as I could. The result of the gratitude.
So the thing is that one of my friends to experience something like this after doing the magic practice. So क्या हुआ? She started experiencing it. She started saying that today I'm having a magical day.
Mm,
So the outcome was that there comes a feeling of ownership. There comes a feeling that you own the day. It's
mm,
your day. You are responsible for it, and no one else is responsible for it.
yeah.
आप ये नहीं सोचते कि वो मेरे साथ अच्छा करेगा तो मैं ये दिन अच्छा बनेगा मेरा, या वो मेरा ये काम करेगा तो मैं ये करूँ. You don't expect because you are responsible for your day and you take charge of your life. So when you are responsible, what happens is you feel that today I am responsible for what I do. I am responsible for what I have. And I am responsible for what I am. You start taking charge of your life and become the creator of your life. That's a new you. And that is the best way to reprogram your mind. Taking charge of your life and looking ahead of what more I can do for myself and for my day. Because it's your day. This has been a gift to you by the God and the universe. That is why it is called a present. So जैसे हम कोई प्रेजेंट कोई गिफ्ट के लिए हम कितने खुश होते हैं सुबह, कितनी खुशी से उसको खोलते हैं, उसी तरह जैसे ही सुबह होती है, we have to arise, we have to get up with the same feeling of happiness and gratitude that we got another day. Yes, please.
The result of gratitude's magical power was that I got a parking space right at the door. I then ran into two friends. one friend I hadn't seen for a long time, and we got together for lunch after shopping. The second friend I ran into told me about an amazing and inexpensive house cleaner, which was something I had been dreaming of having. As I did my supermarket shopping, wherever I looked, what I needed was magically in front of my eyes. Everything was in stock on the shelves. One item after another was on special, and as I approached checkout after doing my shopping in record time, a new easel opened, and the checkout person signaled me to them. As the checkout person was putting my item throughout the register, out of the blue, she asked, "Do you need any batteries?" It was the one item I had forgotten to buy. My trip to the supermarket was beyond easy and joyful. It was downright magical. It only takes a few minutes in the morning to use gratitude to have a magical day by giving thanks for the events in your day ahead of time. But this one practice alone will change the way your entire day unfolds.
Yeah. So what she did was she just planned कि क्या क्या करना है, and she
Hmm.
gave gratitude to as कि आज मैं ये grocery लेने जा रही हूँ, मैं सामान ले, it's a very small example but it is a real example. So when she went there, she found that one thing which she missed, वही चीज उसके सामने आ जाती है, and the person asked कि आपने do you need these batteries? So this is a small example, but there are more such examples which you will start experiencing. The first thing is that जब भी आप, when you think about the day, give it a name. You can give any powerful adjective to the day. You can say, today I'm going to have a magical day. Today I'm going to have a wonderful day. Today is the best day of my life. So these are the kinds of affirmations. I do affirmations in the morning, in my morning ritual. So I found them really wonderful. I'll be sharing my affirmations with you in one of these days, tomorrow or maybe later. So जब आप अपने डे को एक पावरफुल एडजेक्टिव लगा के बोलते हैं, that gives the power. You create that day.
Hmm.
And you start having it. You start living your day like that. That is the power of being grateful. और कभी ऐसा भी हो जाता है कि कोई दिन आपका नहीं अच्छे जा रहे हैं, बार बार ऐसा लग रहा है आपको कि दिन ठीक नहीं अच्छे जा रहे. So for that, you have to start doing the assignments which I discussed with you. जो assignments, जो भी techniques बताई हैं मैंने, you start doing them. That will again reprogram, and that will again be the mood shifter for you. See, I can give you tools and techniques. I can show you the direction, but then you have to follow the path, because the key to magic is your assignments.
Hmm.
Yes, please.
To have a magical day,
Yeah.
you wake up to the new day, either before you get out of the bed or while you are showering or getting dressed. Think about your plans for the day and give thanks for each one going brilliantly well. Make sure you do this magical practice at the beginning of your day and in one session. In your mind, work your way through the plans you have for the morning, afternoon, and evening until bedtime. With each plan or event, say the magic words and imagine that you're saying thank you at the end of the day. And you're immensely grateful because it did go brilliantly well. You can use as many superlatives as you like to help you feel more grateful. Thank you for the incredibly successful meeting. Thank you for the amazing outcome with the phone call. Thank you for one of the best days ever. It worked. Thank you for
कुछ press नहीं करना.
same. Thank you for the effortless and fun day of cleaning. Thank you for the great night out with friends. Thank you for the relaxing day of travel. Thank you for the amazing energy from my exercise session. Thank you for the best family get together we have ever had. Should I continue?
So like अभी यहाँ पर ये बोल रहे हैं कि बार बार आपको हर चीज के लिए you have to say thank you. The idea is, suppose there are 10 things which you have planned. उसमें से you can only get the 7 things. 3 things are missing, or there is some concern in that, some challenges you are facing. तो उन 3 चीजों को छोड़कर जो बाकी 7 चीजें आपके साथ अच्छी हो रही हैं, you have to give gratitude to them. What all you have, those 7 things which are doing well in your life, you give gratitude to them. Because that will intensify the magnetic force and you will get back in manifolds. जब आप छोटे से छोटी चीज के लिए भी शुक्राना करते हैं, so that is the power of the law of attraction. Because you are asking for the best thing and you are believing that it is going to come and you start receiving. Yes, please.
This magical practice is more powerful if you can say the magic words thank you out loud for each experience. But if you're not in a position to say them out loud, then it is fine to say them in your mind. After you have finished using gratitude's magical power for every task and event in your day, end the practice by saying, and thank you for the great news coming to me today. Without fail, every single morning when I finish using gratitude to have a magical day, I give thanks for the great news coming to me that day. As a result, I've never received so much great news in my entire life. One week after another, one day after another. Great news, pause and
Okay,
each
so
time.
what happens is, जब आप पहले से ही एडवांस में आप बोलने लगते हैं थैंक यू, the thing is कि it's just like there is some marriage in the family and you start praying to the Lord, you start praying for his blessings. तो आप घर में पाठ रखवाते हैं, शब्द कीर्तन रखवाते हैं, बिकॉज आपको लगता है कि सब अब अच्छा होने वाला है, भगवान की ब्लेसिंग से सब ठीक होगा. So that is what is the power of saying thank you in advance, because you prove that you believe in, you are receiving something and you are receiving happiness in return. तो आप उसको क्या करते हैं, you ask for happiness. For that you believe in the universe, that the universe is going to provide you with happiness by you being grateful. और वो तभी होगा when you have full conviction, when you have full belief. अगर आपके मन में डाउट होगा कि पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं, मैं कर तो रही हूँ पर मैंने तो बहुत ज्यादा अपना ड्रीम रख लिया, जैसे हम कल बात कर रहे थे कि आप ड्रीम अपना इतना ज्यादा रख लेते कि आप खुद ही उसको डाउट करने लग जाते कि पता नहीं होगा कि नहीं. So whatever you imagine, whatever you think, it has to be realistic, of course, but then you have to believe. It is just like, and you have to be very specific कि मैं ये चाहता हूँ या मैं ये चाहती हूँ. When you ask, you have to be very specific, like going to a restaurant and asking for food. तो आप ये नहीं बोलेंगे कि बहुत सारा खाना ले आओ, आप बोलेंगे कि मुझे मेरे लिए एक दाल मखनी, एक शाही पनीर ये ले आओ. I being a vegetarian, so I will order like that. तो वही समझेगा वो बेटर और फिर वही आपके लिए आएगा. अगर आप उसको बोलें कि बहुत भूख लगे कुछ ले आओ, he will not understand what you want. He can get anything for you. So you need to be specific exactly what you want. So I will be sharing in the group how to write your dreams and how you have to write your blessings while counting your blessings. Because doing practice, you have to count your blessings and write 10 blessings each day. Yes, please.
Each time I receive another piece of great news, I'm especially grateful and excited because I know I use gratitude's magical power to bring it. And then even more great news continues to come in. If you want to receive more great news than you ever have before, then just follow in my footsteps. Magical practice number 14.
1 minute. So what is the author saying? that आप जितना magical power चाहते हैं, gratitude's magical power. What is a gratitude's magical power?
I think.
Thank you. Saying
Thank
thank you.
you.
That is a gratitude's magical power. तो वो thank you जो है वो आपको abundance में वापस मिलता है in the form of similar situations where again you say thank you. So that is the power of the gratitude. I will just give you assignments, and if you follow with the flow, you are going to experience miracles in your life. And so many of us here have experienced. Every day I'm getting call that life में ये change हो रहा है, thought process change हो रहे हैं. They are adding on so much in their lives. And this is so beautiful. So when you say thank you with full power. ऐसे नहीं thank you and you don't mean it. When you write thank you, write it with full power, with conviction that you are being grateful.
Okay.
चाहे वो छोटी से छोटी चीज भी है, you are grateful for having a child. You are grateful that you have a home. So many people don't have. You are grateful for having what you have in life, whether big or small. You have your education. That is something which is so big. You can achieve what you want to. You have your hands to do so many things. You have your eyes. I mean, there are unlimited things. I can just go on and on. What is required is our being grateful. So when we write, we will just be understanding what is the assignment for today. So when we write what we are grateful for, write it with full conviction and your commitment that yes, I'm really grateful for this and I mean it. Because शब्दों में बहुत power है. When we manifest something, we manifest it by 5 ways. लिखकर, बोलकर, सुनकर, देखकर, कल्पना कर. You visualize it. You see it. Yeah? You listen to it. You write it. You speak it. So if you are speaking something, say it. Because say it by understanding what you are saying. Not just saying it. Suppose you say thank you to your servant. And you don't mean it. और वो भी सुन के घबरा जाएगा कि आज कैसे मुझे thank you बोल दी. So it has to come, in you. You start living it. Start living this life now. And that is so important and meaningful. Because when you start living what you are saying, that is the time you are creating magic in your life. That is the time you start creating magic around you. I'm saying magic, you can call it by any name. You can call it by a powerful life. You can call it by magnificent life, an awesome life. I'm saying magic because it's just like magic. It just happens. You just have to say it and feel it and it happens for you. That is the power. So you just have to feel. And why I'm saying feel? Because this is the world of feelings. The world of magic is the world of feelings. And when your feelings matches with the frequency of the universe, which is full of gratitude and love, that is the time you start experiencing abundance in your life. Whatever you want in life, you start receiving that. Because you are so grateful for what you have. And that is what the universe wants. Because the universe has everything for you. It is providing you with so many things. You just have to ask and believe in it that yes, it is going to happen. And you start experiencing it. Okay, so just the last page is left. Yes, Manisha, will you carry on with the practice?
Yeah. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as.
And I have polite.
Should I continue?
Please, yeah.
Yeah, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, in the morning, work your way in your mind through the plans you have for the day and evening until bedtime. With each plan or event, say the magic words, thank you for it having gone well. Imagine that you are saying thank you at the end of the day and you're immensely grateful because it went perfectly. After you have finished being grateful for all the plans in your day going brilliantly well, and this magical practice by saying and thank you for the great news coming to me today. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah. Thank you, Manisha. Thank you for reading so beautifully.
Thank
Thank
you, Aisha.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So just to make you understand about the assignment, okay, you have to count your blessing. 10 blessings what you have. I will write the format in the group, how you have to write with those blessings. It is in the format of I'm so grateful and blessed to have a beautiful house because it gives me a comfortable lifestyle. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is the format. I will also put it down, post it. And second is that when you start your day, जैसे ही अपना आप पैर नीचे रखते हैं बेड के, आप फर्स्ट थिंग बोलिए थैंक यू. Keep your right foot down and say thank you ऐसा बोला जाता है. So when you do it, you move ahead with a positive note. And you imagine that everything is going very well. You say thank you in advance. पहले से ही आप थैंक यू बोल देते हैं पूरे दिन के लिए और आप कुछ प्लान कर लेते हैं कि आज ये करना है and all the things are going to happen perfectly. Today I'm going to have the best day. So you give it a name, best day. You can give it a name, perfect day, miraculous day, awesome day. कोई भी powerful adjective लगाकर आप अपने day को define कर सकते हैं. And then you be grateful to that super energy, because you get those, आपको वो feelings आ जाएगी एकदम से. जब आप ये लगाएंगे adjective, आपको वो feeling आ जाएगी. And after you have finished being grateful for the plans in your day, doing brilliantly well, and this magical practice by saying, thank you for the great news coming to me today. तो आप पहले से ही एडवांस में थैंक यू कर रहे हैं कि आज बहुत अच्छी कुछ न्यूज मुझे सुनने में आएगी, बहुत अच्छी कुछ न्यूज आएगी मेरे लिए. You start saying thank you. हो सकता है उसी दिन आ जाए, हो सकता है 2-3 दिन बाद आ जाए. So whenever it comes, please do share. And lastly, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. So एक magic rock आप लेंगे. It can be a small rock. I'll show you what I have. A very small rock actually, but you can have a bigger one. It's just like a small pebble. तो ऐसा एक pebble आप ले सकते हैं, या जो plants maybe कुछ pebbles होते हैं, marble होता है, a small rock, small stone, which comfortably fits in your hand like this. तो आप वो लेकर और आप उस पे बोलिए थैंक यू फॉर द बेस्ट थिंग. आप आंख बंद करके सोच सकते हैं कि वो क्या बेस्ट चीज हुई आज का दिन. See, this is a technique to reprogram your mind. When you make magic rock your friend, and when you say that this magic rock is my friend, जैसे आप अपने फ्रेंड से सारी बातें कर लेते हैं, आप इस मैजिक रॉक को अपना फ्रेंड बना लो और इससे अच्छी अच्छी बातें करें. वो बातें नहीं जो आप करते हैं कि मेरे साथ तो ये गलत हुआ और मेरे साथ ये गलत हुआ. आप वो बातें करिए जो आपके साथ अच्छी हो रही है. तो आप जब मैजिक रॉक अपने हाथ में रखकर बोलते हैं, कुछ भी याद करते हैं, the best thing that happened during the night, जो भी आपका best experience रहा, and when you sleep with those thoughts, your subconscious mind attracts those feelings because you sleep happily with those feelings and you wake up again with those feelings. That is the power of the subconscious. Okay, so this was about the chapter. Tomorrow again we have a beautiful chapter on relationships. So any questions regarding today's class or assignment? Aditi, thank you, Aditi. Thanks, Vidu, for your suggestions. Yeah, Vidu is saying that, remember, mom used to say, fold your hands and say thank you. Yes, absolutely. Very nice. Anyone else wants to add something?
Sangeeta ji, this is Dr. Sachin Vernikar. I would like to say something.
Hanji, zarur.
I must thank you. It was a great journey last 1 hour.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed. I will definitely practice this. I have joined today itself. It's really great. I must thank you for this.
Thank you. Thank you. And this is my commitment that if you go with the flow and be regular and do your assignments as I tell you, I will also be sharing few techniques on this platform, various visualization techniques which we will be doing, and you will definitely see magic happening in your life, in all of your lives. Yes. Thank you so much for this.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So yes, you are saying something, Shobha ji?
I just wanted to say thank you. It was wonderful. This 1 hour first session I have attended, and I really enjoyed it. That video was really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll be sharing many more such videos, which are very powerful and real. Yeah, I've been doing this. Actually, I gave this, maybe you got the message sometime late today. So we have been practicing this. Any doubts you can ask, anything you want to clear. So you will get cleared some questions if you have regarding your assignments. Please ask. Or we can conclude today's class.
Okay.
You can message me personally or you can call me or if you want to ask anything. So we conclude for today's class. Thank you all for joining. Love you all. See you tomorrow, same time. I'll be
Thank
sharing the
you.
link again.
Okay, bye,
Thank you,
Didi.
Sangeeta.
Bye.
Thank
So
you.
much.
Thank you.
ma'am.
See you all.
Thank you,
Bye.
Didi.
Bless
Bye.
you all.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.